Aloha, I'm Chef Ryan Covert and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono recipes. Today I'm going to make cauliflower fried rice. Let's get started. Wash and thoroughly dry cauliflower. Then remove all grains and cut into 4 even sections. With a box grater, grate the cauliflower into the size of rice grains. Place a large wok or pan over high heat and brown the sausage until crispy and the fat has rendered out. Take out the sausage and put into a bowl lined with paper towels to absorb the fat and set aside. In the same pan, add canola oil and sweet onion and cook till translucent for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the garlic, ginger, and cauliflower to the pan and cook until cauliflower is tender but still has a crunch for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add hondashi, soy sauce, sesame oil, sriracha, peas, corn, kimchi, and cooked Portuguese sausage. Stir fry for another minute or 2. Taste to check the seasoning, add a bit more salt and pepper if needed. Garnish with green onions and prepared fried onions. For the full recipe, visit KTASuperstores.com/recipes.